happy?
Yeah, very happy. Are you?
Yes. Beautiful day.
Clear water,
The water is the nicest we've seen all year.
lots of sea animals.
Yeah, there's some animals in the water. Really pretty.
There's always time for fun.
So I'm doing a face mask right now, but I wanted to share this before I opened it. I got this at TJ Maxx for $50. I think it's originally like $150 maybe. It's called the Solar Wave and it's a 4-in-1 skincare wand. So it has red light therapy. It says it has red light therapy, galvanic current, therapeutic warmth, and facial massage. So I think it vibrates as well. You can use it to smooth, depuff, tighten, soothe, renew, sculpt, tone, and lift. And one of my friends has this, I think, and she like swears by it. So I just like saw it at TJ Maxx when we were there last week, and I decided to pick it up because I have my laser hair remover and it has like a red light setting on it. So sometimes I use it on my face, but I just do like around my jawline, and the head of it is pretty big, so it doesn't fit like in the smaller areas. But this is supposed to be really good for all over your face, and the wand is like pretty small. So you just like do it like under your eyes and like your forehead, wrinkly lines. So I'm excited to give this a go. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna open it right now and try it out tonight and over the next few days, and we'll see. It says that you'll have glowing skin in 2 weeks, and it's like a 3-minute thing. So since I'm on break right now, I have some time and I want to try out this, and I'm just like doing like a face mask, just trying to get my skin in like a really good place since I'll be traveling soon as well. I have the wedding coming up, so yep, I'm gonna try this out now. I can't film in my bathroom right now because our light is not working at the moment and we're waiting for someone to come and fix it, so hopefully that'll get resolved soon. So this is right after using the wand for the first time. And I feel like my skin looks very radiant and glowy. It feels very soft to the touch. I also did the mask, as you saw. So this is the mask and the wand together. But I feel like the effects are looks pretty good for the first time. My face is a little red from it, but it could also be the mask. So we'll keep using it and see what the results look like in a few weeks. Just need to keep up with it. But I just did it while I was watching some YouTube right now, so it's like a 12-minute process. We're doing Turkish kebabs for dinner tonight. So we have the meat rolled really thinly and we're gonna bake it. And that's like the gyro meat. This is a mixture of beef and lamb. And my fiance seasoned it with some blended onion and some finely chopped garlic and some spices. And then I made these potato wedges with a bunch of seasonings. And then we have these veggies we're gonna roast on the side. And we'll have pickles, and we have the lavash bread from Trader Joe's. I'll show you. We have this lavash bread from Trader Joe's to go on the side, and it's actually really good. We're doing this for dinner tonight and having a friend over. We had our bathroom light fixed today and it's so much brighter in here than it was before. I'm gonna dry my hair now. I'm just gonna put you on time lapse. My hair is so long right now. It's like almost down to my belly button. But I'm getting a haircut on Friday, which is also my birthday. So I'll show you then how I cut it, and I might do a treatment, either a hydration treatment or keratin, but only on the top. So we'll see. Because it's a little frizzy at the moment when I dry it. I need it to be manageable for all the weddings that I have next year. But the color still looks really good, I think. Maybe it's a little brassy. Maybe I need a gloss too. But it's like blending really nicely as it grows out. Anyway, gonna finish preparing dinner now. Bye. We have the lavash bread, the gyro, which is already baked, and these veggies, shishito peppers, and tomato. We have the salad, which is one of the tomatoes that was baked, cut up with some parsley and red onion and sumac. Looks so good.
She still have time, and I'm seeing her tonight.
Doing great. I thought games were today. I was like at 12:30 trying to...
This is the first sourdough loaf of 2026. It's a cranberry and walnut loaf. Came out really good. This is our first brunch of the year. We have some turkey bacon, some eggs scrambled with spinach and cottage cheese, and fresh sourdough bread with guava and dragon fruit jam that my sister sent from Trinidad. And then we have some fruits, blueberries, and sumo mandarins, and coffee. We're gonna play tennis.
Ready.
On the first day of the year. JK, it's closed. Actually, we can just walk in. The gate's open. And there are people playing there. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Yeah. We're playing tennis for free today. Usually we have to pay here. Are you excited?
Yes, excited. We should now repeat this, okay? We'll do this as an exception, 15 minutes.
It's my birthday and I'm gonna go get my hair done now.
Happy birthday!
This is the before. It's looking terrible. So we'll see what it looks like after.
Looks good. You did the keratin.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Where are we going, my love?
We'll see when we go there.
Is it a surprise?
Yes. Small surprise.
We're gonna have breakfast? Brunch. It's 12:30 now. Let's see where we go. He's not saying.
What do you think? It's good? Wow. What do you think?
Of the restaurant?
Yeah? Overall, how is your birthday so far?
It's good so
Yeah?
far. Thank you for making it special.
Of course. How was your haircut?
It was good. Do you like it?
Yeah? It's pretty nice. Beautiful, as always.
It's pretty flat, but it'll be good for the upcoming months. And thank you for surprising me with a nice view.
We are not done yet.
I don't know what we're doing the rest of the day. We're gonna go home now and relax, right?
Yeah? We're gonna go home now. I'll give you your birthday present. Relax a little. In the evening, we're gonna go out again.
Okay.
Okay? Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you, my love.
Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, my love.
Aww. So cute. Oh. Smells good. Oh wow. We're going to the spa? Hammam?
Yes,
Turkish hammam?
Turkish hammam.
Wow.
A full day experience.
Wow. There's a little soap in here. It's so pretty. Wow. Aw. Where is this?
In Aventura.
Oh wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm dressed now and ready to go to dinner. I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm wearing. It's pretty cold in Miami right now. It's like the coldest day of the week so far. So I'm just wearing my Skims dress, the soft lounge dress, but it has no sleeves. It just has these little straps. So I put this top over from Zara and it has a bit of a high neck. And then I'm just gonna take my leather jacket, also from Zara. So hopefully it won't be too cold. Then I have this purse. I think this is also from Zara. Papa bread. And then I'm wearing my boots from Mango. Hopefully this is appropriate for wherever we're going. I actually don't know where we're going. I'm being surprised a little bit, I think. I may know where we're going, but I'm not sure. Let's go. Where are we going, my love?
You tell them where we're going.
I don't know.
I think you know.
No, I don't know.
You did have a good job.
No. The last time that I got surprised, I was getting proposed to. But that's not happening tonight, obviously. So, I don't know. We'll see. we just got home and I had such a nice birthday dinner with my friends. I'm so happy that everyone was able to make it and for coming out to celebrate with me. It was so nice. Surat planned the whole thing with one of my friends, and it was super sweet of him to do that and for my friend to help and for everyone to take the time out of their day and the busy start to the year to come and celebrate with me. So I'm super grateful for that. And yep, it was a beautiful birthday overall. I had a lovely day, and I'm so happy that Surat encouraged me also to take the day off from work. So I was able to like fully relax. Actually, for my birthday, he got me, I showed you earlier when I opened it, it's a Turkish spa experience called a hammam. And I've actually never been, but there's one in Aventura apparently that he found. And so we're gonna go there one day for just like a nice relaxing experience. But that'll probably be after I'm back from my trip in a couple weeks. I'll probably be tired from that, so it'll be a good chance to relax. He actually wanted to go today, but my hair appointment messed up his plans. But this was a good plan in the end. We did brunch earlier in the day, and then we were able to relax throughout the day, not have anything planned, and just chill at home, and then meet up with my friends for dinner. And it was a pretty late dinner, so it worked out perfectly. And I'm super tired now. It's already after midnight. So no longer my birthday. Oh, and my friend got me this really pretty necklace. It has a butterfly on it, and there was like a nice message that came with the box. So this is the box that it came in, and it says, reinvent. Don't let anything stop you from pursuing your dreams. You are stronger than you think and more capable than you can ever imagine. How sweet is that? Because I just told some of my close friends about my YouTube channel, which it's been a while, and I kept it for a while because I wasn't like confident about having everybody know, but now they all know, and they've been so supportive, and it's so really nice and special to have their support. So it was super nice of her to get that gift for me, because I think that's why. And the message is really special, and it's like a butterfly, so it could mean like coming out of a cocoon and becoming a little butterfly. So cute. And my other friend got me a Sephora gift card because she knows how obsessed I am with beauty and Sephora. Yeah, anyway, I'm so grateful for my friends and for Sarhat and for my family and everyone who messaged me and called me today. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end this video here as well because I think now it's like a little long. And the next video I'll be going to Colombia. I won't be posting this before I go, so you'll see after I come back. But yep, that's where I'm going for my best friend's wedding, to Cartagena. So I'm gonna be going there next week. So I have to start packing and doing all the things to prepare. Well, I got my hair done today. I need to start packing, and I'll be going there on Thursday of next week after working a couple days. So yep, that's it. Bye. Thank you for watching this video again. Bye.